iQOO 12 and iQOO 12 Pro will hit the Chinese market on the November 7th, if you go by the latest rumors on the matter. On Weibo yesterday, China's equivalent of X, a live hands-on image that was of iQOO 12 has been leaked, and you can see it on All Glory. Famous leakster DCS, a digital chat station, has come out with detail about the iQOO 12's colorways anyway. It will be offered in white and black glass versions as well as a red vegan leather option. The camera island looks very huge, so the leaks confirm it will have a 15 megapixel main camera, which will be an OmniVision QV50H sensor and an OIS, 64 megapixel telephoto camera, which will be OmniVision OV64B sensor with OIS, and a 50 megapixel ultra wide camera using Samsung JN1 sensor. It is rumored to have a 2K resolution with 144Hz refresh rate, ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint scanner, and a certification as revealed it has 4880 mAh battery with support up to 120 watt fast wired charging. It will be launched by the Qualcomm's upcoming Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC.